Hi everyone. I knew Beth since May last year and it has almost been a year and a half now. And honestly, she changed my whole lifestyle and how I look at myself, how I feel about myself. It is so useful, and I'm sure it's gonna benefit to me for my whole year and whole life. She taught me a lot of things, like how I train, how I exercise in the gym and outside the gym, and also how I eat, how I treat myself, like loads of stuff. I can never imagine me doing it, and it's still like benefit to me right now, even just we finished working together and still. I think the most useful thing was that she was someone I felt I can trust when I chose her at the first place. And she's very like friendly, and she really knows like how beginner will react to you, like a very foreign environment in the gym that you can be like very scared to like train in the gym, like you don't have no idea what you're doing, but she taught you from the very beginning, from the basics. And I think that is really important and crucial. And I used to hate doing like weight. I can never imagine I can like squat like 60 kilos, 70 kilos. That sounds impossible to me. But somehow like she taught me like step by step, and now I'm very confident to like go into the gym and just stand on the squat rack and just squat. I think it's just the confident thing. I think it's really worth to learn from her, and it's really useful in the gym as well as outside the gym. It really changed the way how I look at myself and how to adapt your body and how it looks. I used to think like, skinny is the beauty, and I just want to be like slim, I want to be skinnier. But right now I'm not more focused on like I want to be healthy, I want to be happy, and if I don't feel like it, I will treat myself better. And if I feel like, yes, I want to push myself a little bit more, and I have the ability and I have the confidence to do that as well. So I think that is a really good thing to learn and good thing to practice. Yeah, and I really want to say a huge thank you to Beth. I think like the year where we working together was the best experience that I have with like exercise, and it really changed my relationship with my diet and my training. Yeah, I think it's really great.